Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do a flip through of this insert. This is a Heidi Swap chapters insert, and I took stories from the whole course of the year for pre-K for my daughter. I will leave down below the playlist of all of the layout videos that I have on my channel. That way, if you have any specific questions, you can refer back to those videos. This will just be a flip through of all the layouts, and I'll give a few details along the way that I can remember as well. So let's get started. This opening page, I just did paper that I had cut out for this side, as well as same striped paper on the opposite side. Some stickers from the Happy Planner, and it was the first day of school for Valentina this year. We continued on over here. This is a cut file from Paige Evans that I attached on vellum. We did some stamping, and then these are also stickers from Happy Planner, most likely. This was a Dear Lizzie piece. These are Vicky Boutin vellum pieces, and another first day of school photo. We started getting into waking up very early for school. So this font was from Carrie Bradford, and I did a large title. These cards are also from an Allie Edwards kit. Yeah, and the emojis. And then this stamping over here is Altenew. These are also Altenew. I had done some mixed media and then fussy cut them all out. We did some stenciling. These are stickers from Happy Planner as well. Talked about her bedroom. This is a Carrie Bradford large font, and these are Heidi Swap. Just some scrapbook paper and some pretty embellishments. Did a flap here with the journaling. Talked about wearing the mask this year. So this is a stamp set from Allie Edwards. This is Vicky Boutin paper, and I did the flaps here with my journaling. These stickers are all Happy Planner. Carrie Bradford Alpha again, did the journaling under that flap, and then I also kept the COVID results in here. And this is a Chamel paper that I fussy cut this out from. Her top 10 favorites. This is just some scrapbook paper, and I believe this one and this one are Happy Planner stickers. So here are her top 10. These were fussy cut out of like dittos she got sent home that she colored in school. So I thought it was a great way of keeping some of her schoolwork in this album. Did some light stamping here, journaling. Her name I also kept from that sheet as well. This is all Vicky Boutin as well. Here's my journaling behind there, talking about her love for ice cream and sweets. I do believe this one I didn't film. It was rather simple. So the journaling I know is behind here, and then also on this one. So this one was just a simple grid layout. I also think this one doesn't have a process video as well. I just kind of did this one on my own at night. The paper is I think it was die cuts with the view. It was all in my stash, and I did a flip here and a flip here. Oh, I forgot some of the journaling. She had many costumes this year. She loves playing dress up. That was the Halloween spread. Her birthday. So I did some journaling underneath these two photos. These were the Sizzix Tim Holtz die cuts. And then this was a cut file I used from the Silhouette Cameo. Her love for dresses, a full page photo. So this was us visiting our house that we're moving into shortly. So it's good to see that progress. And I do have to go in and add more photos from school days. That's what I left this blank for. On this side, this is all Prima stamping. These are Carrie Bradford. And yes, I scrapped the proofs. And my journaling here is on vellum. This was a fun layout. This is film, so all of these tags have more journaling and photos underneath it, which make it just super fun and interactive. And these tags were from the Dollar Tree. There's no process video for this one. I did this one on my own and just wrote out the story of her being brave now. This was after the holidays to walk to her classroom by herself without one of the hall monitors. It was just a nice little story. This was a recent video on my channel of her commitment to her dance and ballet class, and then also her gymnastics class I take her to. So she definitely was active after school. Now this I didn't film, so I just wrote journaling when the mask mandate was lifted this school year back in February. I made this little vellum pocket to just house, they did school photos again, so these were just the proofs once again. She did a birthday party at like a princess spa, and then this was a graduation photo the teacher sent home that was in like a fun little styrofoam frame that had pom-poms and stuff all over it, but I wanted to keep the photo in here. So it was just like a way to add more photos. That way this book in its entirety is good. This was just journaling about how the last like 2 months of school were just very hard for us. She just did not want to go to school anymore, and drop-offs were such a pain toward the end of school. And then this was also a recent video on my channel, so I did this. I had to cover up a mistake here to make school in the centers, but I'm glad I did it. A little bit of light journaling, so she had a little graduation ceremony, and then the last day of school was here. And that completes this album. You know, I love that I have this in its entirety. When she's older, these might be a little bit more manageable for her to keep if she wants to, but I scrap and document like this for me more, knowing that she may not want any of these scrapbooks when she gets older, but more for me to cherish life, I guess I always say how I do this. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you're joining me, I always document and put memory keeping videos here on YouTube. Please give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, everyone, bye.